We must stand against the horrific violence being waged against our children. Some not yet 1 year old. The worst forms of violence are being perpetrated against our children: sexual, physical, and emotional abuse. Our children are being raped, murdered, stabbed, scarred, and shamed. Too many of our children are not being allowed to live their childhood years in peace. We must speak with one voice. It is wrong. It must stop. Let us begin by having an honest conversation about this cancer in our nation. We must inform, mobilize every citizen to recognize, report, and reject the violation of our children. The mandate which Jamaicans have given the People's National Party on December 29 is a call to action. It is a signal from our people that we, the government, must earn their trust. It also gives us the opportunity to ease the burdens and the pressures of increasing poverty, joblessness, and deteriorating standard of living. The mandate is a cry for us to restore hope. The Jamaican people have sent a clear message. They want a more accountable and transparent government which consults them, and they should expect nothing less. Understand that we're not working just for some Jamaicans. We're not just working for some people. As a government, this government recognizes we are working on behalf of all Jamaicans. But understand, the solution to Jamaica's problem rests with us Jamaicans. And here in Jamaica, we need to work together. We need to find the solutions. And we need to work together for the development and growth that is required in this country. My fellow Jamaicans, this is it. This is where my political story, which began over 40 years ago, ends. My heart filled with gratitude to you, the people of Jamaica, who gave me the privilege to serve at the highest level. As I have said so many times, it was an honor of a lifetime. I will miss the cut and thrust of politics, but most of all, I will miss interacting every day with the Jamaican people, especially the children. You have given me so much, and I am proud of all that we have achieved together. For as long as I live, wherever I go, whatever I do, my heart will always be with you. Mr. Speaker, I'm proud of my record of representation of the people of Southwest St. Andrew. In 1976, I inherited a constituency with poor and inadequate housing, poor and no public infrastructure, poor healthcare facilities, and limited access to social services. I had to build community leadership and steadily improve the living conditions and give hope to the people. I have been an activist MP, and with the support of the people, I have accomplished much.
When she ever come and she make no for it have a little toilet and so I like them, everything she try. Because some people never did want to board house and so because they don't worry about gunshot, they don't know a garrison, you know. So she try her best, same way and give her the bathroom them front of her house so we can come out and go this and, you see me? So Portia mean a whole heap, not a lot, a whole heap. She deserve a whole heap, yo. It not stop right there, so for she.
It's a very nice woman and she always love us. And she deal with the whole Jamaica in her whole. She love Jamaican people them, and she very, very, very uplifted.
She give it work. She send the children them go back to school. We have evening class. We have parents class where we go learn about kids. Portia nice to we down here.
Her main work that she did, that has embedded in our arts, that is education. She has never refused from assisting education, and she have assisted so many persons, so many people throughout the years to achieve tertiary education from the basic school level. So you must know, even if a little fixing needed to be done, education for her was priority. She made that her priority every day because, you know, sometimes she would walk through the community and she would see some little young children. She would say, well, you can be the next prime minister, you know. So she's a motivation to us.
I know this lady from 1971. And this lady, when I know her, she favor, you see me slim? She's slim on me. And I just love her till now. And she born with something named leadership. When enough people who I see in the party right now don't have that leadership. You know, when somebody born with that leadership, that is Portia Simpson Miller. None of them can do a role right now.
I remember when I left my country, come a town, and Michael couldn't read. Is she make I have a thing in my head, read and write. Plus the house I'm living in, she give me. So it's my mother that. So I feel it, how she live. But I beg God to help her.
Mama P, we all love you. We miss you. We miss you, Mama P. We miss you.